Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Muhammad Wasim Khan, an instructor for Human Resource Management course. This is the fourth and last part of this lecture, and the lecture is about the human resource planning and recruitment. This part of the lecture would be for a very short duration. And in this lecture, we will talk about the application forms and their uses. And I will give you a homework, and that homework would be related to the examples of recruitment processes in different countries of Asia. Let's talk about the application form. Application form provide information on education, prior work record, skills, and experience qualification of the candidate. Information in application are used for different purposes. The first purpose or use is the applicant's education and experience qualification are usually judged by the committee and HR department from applications. Conclusions about the applicant's previous progress and growth, and indication of the applicant's employment stability, prediction about which candidate is like to succeed on the job. So these are all some of the uses of information from applications. Employers should carefully review application forms to ensure that they comply with equal employment laws. Some of the elements that employers should consider in taking care of are education, arrest record, notify in case of emergency, membership in organizations, physical handicaps, marital status of the candidate, and housing. Now, this is your homework. You have to go through the recruitment in China, recruitment in Hong Kong, recruitment in Indonesia, recruitment in Malaysia, recruitment in Philippines, recruitment in Singapore, recruitment in South Korea, recruitment in Thailand, recruitment in Vietnam. This is the end of this lecture. If you have any question regarding any topic, you can please contact me or you can drop a message or comment on Schoology, or you can send me an email. Thank you so much.